This is an example of a function that has been defined wrong by Ghidra. As you can see, Ghidra has defined it as having three parameters, but if we look closely at the assembly, we see, okay, R14's moving into R15, so R15 is overwritten. And then here we see R12 moving into R13, so that means R13 is overwritten. And that's one of the first two assembly instructions. So we know that R13 doesn't matter because it's immediately overwritten here. So really the only parameters that matter are from registers 12 and registers 14. You can even see that in the decompiler view on the side, where only the first parameter, which represents in this case R12, and the third parameter, which represents R14, are used in this calculation. We don't really know what this function does yet, but we need to define it right before we start analyzing it. So basically, just want to edit the function, say use custom storage, and we want to remove R13 from the parameters. Now this function only uses R12 and R14. Click OK. Now you'll notice that these labels param1 and param2 update. So now param1 is still R12 and param2, which used to be R14, now, or param3 used to be R14, but now param2 is R14. And you can see that here on the side, represented in the decompiler view. So now when we go and see where this function is called at, in another decompiler view, we'll see it's much cleaner and only takes in two arguments, because those are the only ones that matter.